Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert website to Android app without any code. Create Android app online without coding experience for your WordPress or any website. So just you have to follow some easy steps. First one, click on get started. Create your free account. So enter your full name, email address and password. Then click on create. Now enter your website name. Remove HTTPS or HTTP. Then click on next. Now in this drop down list, select WordPress, blog news or magazine, standard application or responsive web app. Now select your website type like blog, news, magazine, e-commerce, other. Now select your time zone. Now give any name for your application. Then click on choose package. Now choose subscription plan. It's free and it's standard, and in this you can monetize your application using AdMob, native ads, push notification, and your application will be watermark free. So only $30 for a year. And if you will create your application using my description link and you will enter this coupon code techproadvice 20, so you will get 20% discount. So click on description given link, and when you make payment, so provide this coupon code. So as your choice, you select, and if you want to try, so firstly try start free and then you can upgrade your application. So for example, just try start free. Now you have to complete these all easy steps. So first steps we did. Now second one, connect to WordPress. Install plugin in your WordPress website. So click here and download plugin. So open your WordPress dashboard, then plugin, add new. Click on upload plugin, choose file, then open it, then install. Now activate plugin. Now click on sync. Now again click on dashboard and set up a logo and a splash screen. So for app logo, select 600 by 600 pixel image. So to create a logo, open any new tab, then type canva.com. Sign up or log in your free account. Click on create design, custom size, type 600 by 600, then create new design. Now select and modify any design which you like. Click on download. Now click on choose logo, then open it. You can change size, then select it. Now if you like, so enable splash screen or disable. To create splash screen, you give the new image or your application logo image. you can select time for splash screen, then click on update settings, and friends, you will get more options in text and color. You can change and select color and text style as your choice. And also guys, you can add push notification by Firebase integration, and also you can earn by using AdMob integration. But for these two options, you need to upgrade subscription plan. And guys, as said before, if you will upgrade and you will buy subscription, given my link in description and type this coupon code, so you will get 20% discount. So after that, click on download app, and in the last option you can customize layout design. You can always choose where to display what and how. So you can select any demo design from this list, then click on build app. Now your application is ready. You just need to wait for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes just reload the page. So you will see download app. So your app is ready, just download it. Now install this application on your Android device. Then open it. So like this guys, you can convert your website into Android application without coding knowledge in just some easy steps. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not. And guys, if you have any issue or query, so just comment and use my description link, so you will get 20% discount. So guys, it's your application. You can change design and layout as your requirement. And also guys, you can add some more features. Just you need to visit on this dashboard and click on layout design. In layout design, you will see easy real-time layout design for your application without rebuilding. So there are a list of features like home layout, categories layout, page layout, bookmarks layout, and search layout. So almost you will find all popular features for your this application. Thanks again for watching this video.